back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Tatyanna, and today's video is going to be a Louis Vuitton haul. So if you want to see what new pieces I picked up, just keep watching. So if you guys seen my last vlog, my friend and I, we went to the mall and we got matching bracelets from Louis Vuitton for friendship bracelets. And also while I was there, I did pick up another item that I've had my eye on, that I've been wanting from my wish list. So the first thing I will unbox will be the friendship bracelet. So when we saw this, I was just like, I need this bracelet. It's perfect. It fits both of our personalities. So I'm just gonna open it so I don't give it away. So it comes in the little dust bag. So we got these matching Louis Vuitton bracelets, and it has like the cute little gold heart on it. Y'all, when I saw this, I just knew it was meant for me. And her and I both have like really tiny wrists, so they actually had our sizes in them, so we just knew it was meant to be. And I'll insert like a clip of us, you know, looking at them if you haven't seen the vlog. And I just love this. I just think it's perfect for the fall and the winter season. Like, I can't wait to match it with my gold accessories. It's the monogram print on the outside, and in the inside it just says Louis Vuitton made in Spain with the product code number. And to open it, it has this little clasp that you push inside and it opens, and then I'll try it on for you guys. I'll show you all some mod shots of the bracelet. I can't wait to stack it. There's some other bracelets that I want as well to like give the stack look, and also I want to pair it with my Apple Watch that I changed the band to a gold band. So I just think this is so cute and classy. I love it. This is actually my first designer fashion jewelry piece. I do also want some pieces from Dior and Chanel as well, but I'm excited to add this to my collection. So the next thing that I got from Louis Vuitton is another jewelry item. Can you guys guess what it is? It has a drawstring box and it comes in this little pouch. So I picked up the Louis Vuitton Louise earrings. So I actually got the small ones that, these aren't as popular as the ones you probably see all the time, like the larger ones. But I just thought the larger ones were too big for me. Like, I am a studs girl, so even this might be too much for me. But I really am trying to get into like small gold hoops, and I just really wanted to add some to my collection. And I'm trying to, like, you know, I have silver jewelry that I wear all the time, but I don't really have gold pieces that I wear all the time. So I just thought this would be perfect. So now the little cute bracelet and the earrings to match, and I just need a gold necklace now. But this is how they look against my ear. I'm excited to try them out. I'll insert some photos of me trying them on. But I'm so excited to have them. Right now they're like sold out on the website, but if you try to go in store, you might can find them, because usually they have things in the store all the time that they don't have online. So don't be discouraged if you see that something's sold out. So I'm just so excited to have them. If you guys saw my previous wish list, which I'll link above if you haven't seen it, I really wanted some cool statement earrings and costume jewelry pieces that I can use just to have like a pop to like boring outfits. So I'm just so excited to have these, like, and part of me, I still kind of feel like they're too big, but there's just something about them that I really like. I'll insert the photo of the model who I saw who had them on, and I was like, oh, they're so pretty on her. But I don't know, I guess I have to get used to it, because I'm just not used to wearing anything this big, even though they're so small. You guys are probably like, those earrings are so tiny. But I don't know, they're so big to me, but we'll see. I'm gonna try them out. Like, when I got home, I tried them on again, and I was like, I don't like them. I should have not gotten them. I was having regret. But then you know, the more that I think about them and play with them, the more I'm like, you know what, they're growing on me. They're growing. So I'm excited to just actually put on an outfit where I have to wear them, and I'm sure I'm gonna love them even more. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. We have reached the end of my mini haul, and if you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!